You slept 8 hours last night. You did everything right. And you still woke up, looked in the mirror, and something was wrong. Puffy, tired, older than you should look. Here is the part nobody tells you. The sleep itself might be the problem. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what is happening to your face while you sleep, and 5 things you can fix starting tonight that cost almost nothing. But first, you need to understand what is actually going on inside your body every single night. Every night, your body runs a repair system. It produces collagen, the protein responsible for keeping your jaw defined, your skin tight, your face sharp. Automatic, every single night, unless your sleep quality drops. The second it does, your cortisol spikes, your stress hormone. And cortisol has one job: it destroys the collagen your body just built. Think about what that means. You could be sleeping 8 hours and simultaneously breaking down your own face every single night. That is why men who sleep poorly look 5 to 10 years older than they actually are. Not genetics, not diet, sleep. Now here is where it gets fixable. And the first one is something almost nobody talks about: your sleep position. If you sleep on your side or your stomach, you are pressing your face into a surface for 8 hours straight. Every crease you wake up with, that is pressure physically sculpting your skin while you sleep. Dermatologists call them sleep wrinkles. They start out temporary, then one day they stop fading. Sleep on your back. Costs nothing. Works immediately. This next one genuinely changed how I think about sleep, and I have not seen anyone explain it clearly. Most guys are obsessed with sleep duration. 8 hours, 9 hours. That's the wrong focus. When you sleep matters more than how long. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body releases the highest concentration of growth hormone it will produce all day. That's your skin's repair window, the window where collagen actually gets built. Miss it, and the repair simply doesn't happen. 9 hours of sleep starting at 2 a.m. still looks worse than 6 hours starting at 10 p.m. Not genetics, not luck, timing. While you sleep, your skin loses water. 8 hours, nothing going back in. You wake up dehydrated, dull, and puffier than you should be. 1 full glass of water before bed. Not a sip, a full glass. Your body uses every drop overnight. Wake up and your skin looks different. Try it tonight. Right after that water, 30 seconds, basic moisturizer on your face. It creates a barrier, locks in everything your skin needs while you sleep. You wake up looking tighter, more defined, more alive. Last one, the most underrated thing in men's grooming, and the one most guys hear and immediately ignore. You are sleeping on cotton. Cotton grips your skin at a microscopic level, pulls it, drags it, absorbs moisture directly out of your face. 8 hours of that every single night for years. Switch to satin. 1 pillowcase, under $10. Your skin glides instead of getting dragged across a rough surface. Smallest change, biggest overnight result. So here is the full system. Sleep on your back, bed by 10:30, full glass of water before you sleep, moisturize your face, satin pillowcase. 5 things, almost $0. That's the truth nobody told you. If you want more of this, the real stuff, no filler, subscribe to ARCFORM. Every video is built exactly like this. I'll see you in the next one.